Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something exciting and helpful for you. We'll be diving into a collection of 200 conversational English sentences that you can use in your daily interactions, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your English. From greetings and introductions to ordering food, asking for directions, discussing hobbies, and even talking about the weather, we've got you covered. These sentences will not only help you communicate effectively but also boost your confidence in various social situations. But before we dive into the content, make sure to grab a pen and paper, or you can simply bookmark this video for future reference. Feel free to pause and practice along with us as we go through each sentence. Alright, let's get started. Remember, practice makes perfect, so let's dive into these practical and commonly used sentences that will help you navigate through daily conversations in English. Greetings and introductions. Hello, how are you? Hi, my name is Abi Ratiza. What's your name? Nice to meet you. How's your day going? Asking for information. Excuse me, could you help me find the nearest bank? Do you know what time the train leaves? Where is the restroom, please? Could you please tell me how to get to the museum? Ordering food and drinks. I'd like a coffee, please. Can I have a cheeseburger and fries? Could we get the bill, please? Do you have any vegetarian options? Making plans. Are you free tomorrow evening? Let's meet at the park at 5 p.m. What do you want to do this weekend? Would you like to go see a movie? Talking about hobbies and interests. I enjoy playing soccer in my free time. Have you ever tried painting? I love reading books, especially science fiction. What kind of music do you like? Asking for directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station from here? Can you give me directions to the nearest supermarket? Is there a bus that goes to the city center? Which way is the nearest hotel? Talking about the weather. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Looks like it's going to rain later. It's really hot outside today. I hope the weather gets better soon. Talking about work and studies. What do you do for a living? I'm studying engineering at university. How was your day at work? I have a lot of homework to do tonight. Making small talk. Have you seen any good movies lately? Did you watch the game last night? Do you have any plans for the weekend? How was your vacation? Making goodbye. It was nice talking to you. Goodbye. Take care and have a great day. See you later. Have a safe trip. Expressing opinions. In my opinion, the movie was amazing. I think that's a great idea. Personally, I prefer rock music over pop. I believe education is important for everyone. Talking about family. Do you have any siblings? How many children do you have? My sister just had a baby. I come from a large family. Discussing travel. Have you ever been to Paris? Where is your dream travel destination? I love exploring new cultures when I travel. Do you prefer beach vacations or city tours? Describing daily routine. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. After work, I like to go for a run. I have dinner with my family every evening. I enjoy reading before going to bed. Talking about future plans. I'm thinking of starting my own business. I plan to travel to Asia next year. In the future, I want to learn a new language. I hope to buy a house someday. Discussing health and well-being. I try to exercise at least 3 times a week. Eating a balanced diet is important for good health. I'm trying to reduce my stress levels. Getting enough sleep is crucial for my well-being. Sharing personal achievements. I recently completed a marathon. I received a promotion at work. I published my first book last month. I graduated with honors from university. Talking about current events. Did you hear about the new environmental regulations? What are your thoughts on the latest political developments? The economy seems to be improving. Have you been following the World Cup? Talking apologies. I'm sorry for being late. I apologize for any inconvenience I may have caused. I'm really sorry for forgetting your birthday. Please forgive me for my mistake. Expressing gratitude. Thank you for your help. I'm grateful for the support you've given me. I really appreciate your kindness. Thanks a lot. You're a lifesaver. Talking about interests and hobbies. What kind of books do you enjoy reading? I love playing the guitar in my free time. Have you ever tried cooking Indian cuisine? Photography is my passion. Discussing technology. Have you seen the latest smartphone model? I'm having trouble with my computer. Can you help? What social media platforms do you use? Technology has made our lives so much easier. Sharing personal experiences. I once traveled to Japan and it was an incredible experience. Last summer, I went hiking in the mountains. I attended a music festival and it was unforgettable. I recently started learning how to paint. Talking about sports, did you watch the basketball game last night? I enjoy playing tennis with my friends. Who is your favorite soccer player? I'm a fan of the Olympics. Discussing education. What subjects did you study in school? Are you planning to pursue higher education? I'm taking an online course to improve my skills. Education is the key to a successful future. Talking about movies and TV shows. Have you seen the latest Marvel movie? What's your favorite TV series? I enjoy watching documentaries about nature. The plot twist in that movie was unexpected. Discussing cultural differences. How does your culture celebrate weddings? What are some traditional customs in your country? I find it fascinating to learn about different cultures. Cultural diversity enriches our society. Talking about future aspirations. I hope to start my own business one day. My dream is to travel around the world. I aspire to become a successful writer. I want to make a positive impact on people's lives. Discussing music. What genre of music do you enjoy listening to? Do you play any musical instruments? Music has the power to evoke strong emotions. I love going to live concerts. Talking about fashion and style. Where do you usually shop for clothes? Do you follow the latest fashion trends? I like to express my personality through my fashion choices. Fashion is a form of self-expression. When shopping. How are you? Can I help you with anything? I'm looking for a size L shirt. Do you have it? How much does it cost? Are there any special discounts? When meeting a friend. Hi, long time no see. How have you been? How is your family doing? What are our plans for tonight? What do you think about the latest movie? When at a restaurant. Table for two, please. What is today's menu recommendation? Can I order a cup of coffee? What vegetarian options do you have? When at work. Good morning. How's your day going? There's an interesting new project at the office. Do you have a moment to help me? What are our work plans for today? When at school or university. What are we going to learn today? Is there any homework assignment that needs to be prepared? Can I borrow your pen? Are there any changes to the class schedule? When at the gym or fitness center. What type of exercise is most effective for burning fat? How long should I do cardio? Are there any yoga classes today? Can I use this treadmill? When talking to neighbors. Good morning. How are you? Do you know when there will be a party around here? Can you recommend the best place to eat nearby? Is there any issue with the water pipes? When in public places. Excuse me, where can I get a bus ticket? Do you know where the nearest ATM is? Can you tell me how to get to the train station? Sorry, can you tell me what time it is? When talking to a doctor. I'm feeling pain in my stomach. Is it serious? What should I do to improve my health condition? Are there any side effects of this medication? When should I come for the next checkup? When chatting with coworkers. What's your opinion on our latest presentation? How is the progress of the project we're working on? Do you have any ideas to improve productivity? Would you like to join this strategic meeting? When ordering food at a restaurant. I'd like to order fried rice and orange juice, please. Is this dish spicy? Can I get a vegetarian menu? Are there any special desserts available? When talking to airport staff at the airport. I would like to check in for this flight. Can I carry this bag as a carry-on? Which gate does this flight depart from? Are there any changes to the flight schedule? When ordering drinks at a cafe. I'd like to order a hot cappuccino. Can you make it with almond milk? Do you have any decaffeinated coffee options? How long does it take to make this drink? When talking to a hotel receptionist. I would like to check in, please. Is breakfast included in the room rate? Can I get the key to my room? Are there any gym facilities in this hotel? When scheduling a meeting with a friend. Are you available to meet tomorrow morning? What time works best for you? Where is a good place to meet? How long is this meeting expected to last? When shopping at a traditional market. How much is it for 1 kilogram of apples? Can you give me a discount? Are there any other markets nearby? Are there any promotional items being offered? When talking to a taxi driver. Please take me to the airport. How long will this journey take? Is there an additional fee for luggage? Can you make a quick stop at the ATM? When talking to an electronics store staff. I'm looking for a laptop with specific specifications. Do you have any? Is there a warranty for this product? Do you accept payment with a credit card? Do you provide delivery services? When talking to a security guard, "Excuse me, where can I find parking? Am I allowed to bring this bag inside? Are there any restrictions on bringing food inside? How do I get to the exit door?" When asking for directions from someone on the street, "Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the train station? How long does it take to reach the city center from here? Is there a map I can use? Are there any landmarks I can use as a reference?" And that wraps up our video on 200 conversational English sentences. I hope you found these examples useful and that they will assist you in improving your English speaking skills. Remember, the key is to practice and incorporate these sentences into your daily conversations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips, tutorials, and resources. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!